Hola mi gente, bienvenidos a mi canal de nuevo a Cocinita Campos. El día de hoy vamos a estar haciendo una sopa que se llama Zuppa Toscana. Esta sopa normalmente se puede encontrar en los restaurantes Olive Garden, cual simplemente es una sopa que contiene unos ingredientes muy simples y fácil de hacer. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're going to be making Zuppa Toscana. For those of you who've been to Olive Garden, really simple and easy to make soup with really simple ingredients. So, así que más de lo que ustedes y su mandil están listos para cocinar el día de hoy. Aquí vamos. Alrighty boo-boos, so for today we're going to be using 4 papas, una cebolla y 4 ajos, as well as 2 handfuls of spinach and 2 handfuls of kale. I typically buy the actual kale, but for today this is a lot faster and more convenient. 2 to 4 boxes of chicken broth, 1 of heavy whipping cream, and as well you can use whatever kind of ground meat you would like. My personal preference is ground turkey. Mira, chécalo. Así merito. Ok, para empezar le vamos a agregar el ajo que cortamos a la carne que ya se estaba cociendo y luego le vamos a agregar pimienta y sal. Recuerden que esto va a ser un caldo y que el sabor de la carne tal vez se vaya a perder en el caldo, así que no tengan miedo de echarle. Now that we are waiting for our meat to finish cooking up, we're going to go ahead and start pouring the chicken broth into the pot and bring this to a simmer. Mientras se termina de cocinar la carne, empieza a echar el caldo de pollo a la olla junto con las papas y hierve esto por como unos 10-15 minutos para que la papa esté lista mucho antes de que se le agreguen los demás ingredientes. Girl, you remember those 2 handfuls of spinach and those 2 handfuls of kale y esa cebolla? This is their time to shine. Now we're going to go ahead and walk over and put that into our pot and let them do their thing. Now, by this time, it's been at least 20 to 30 minutes that have passed, and our meat should be pretty much done by now. So now we're just going to go ahead and start pouring it into the pot along with everything else. Ignoren mi cara, ok, estaba bien concentrada. Pero mira, echa el estilo así como tal. Now here everything's been mixed up, so we're just gonna go ahead and add in the full little box of the heavy whipping cream. Additionally here all I'm doing is just adding garlic. You can also add more salt, more pepper to your taste. Ya que se le ha agregado a todo, mi gente, ya casi estamos a donde queremos llegar. Solamente deje que se hierva un poquito más por como unos 10 minutos. Now, the time that we have been waiting for, mi gente, has come. It is time to eat. The only thing that I'm doing here is I'm just prepping as a recommendation. If you would like, I think this adds a little extra kick. Go ahead and add in some Parmesan cheese, some red chili pepper flakes, or pepper. Or you know what? Or don't. This is your life, baby girl. You live it the way you want to, however you think is best for you. You do your thing. We support everything here. Also, I also like eating this with some garlic breadsticks. If you want to try that out, let me know how that works out for you. But alright, mi gente, this is it. Espero que les haya gustado el contenido de hoy. Eso se puede comer para cuando ustedes quieran, para el almorzar, para el lonche, para cena, para Navidad, para la cruda, cuando quieran. Más que nada, provecho y recuerden, no dejen para mañana lo que se puede comer hoy.